Hi, welcome to APA Fun Facts with Courtney. If you're writing a paper and need quick APA tutorials, then consider subscribing to this channel. Today we are talking about spacing and comma use. Super quick video for you, but I do see these mistakes happen all the time and they drive me bananas, so stick around. When you're writing a sentence in APA, you end it with a period and then only one space after the period, folks. You do not need to double space after the period. I don't know where that came from, but I see it all the time. One space after the period is enough. And then when it comes to commas, I'm so happy to announce that APA uses the Oxford comma. So, what that means is you're going to use a comma in between items in a list of 3 or more, and then when you get to the word and, the word before and gets a comma. So I like bananas, comma, coconuts, comma, and grapes. Okay, not bananas, comma, coconuts and grapes, because or else then you're sticking coconuts and grapes together and it sounds like they're one thing. So unless they're the same thing and they should belong together, they get a comma in between. So I've highlighted it there for you so that there's no mistaking. Use the Oxford comma in APA 7th. Well, thank you so much for watching to the end. If you have an APA question, please leave it below in the comments and I will get back to you. Good luck writing those papers. Bye.